So it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and at today's game for the Warhawks. What are your, thoughts about this?
Well, I think the biggest thing about doing things for breast cancer, Go Pink with Mary Joy, we've been putting this together for a while, and UW-Whitewater, not only do they have a great football program, but we want to concentrate on breast cancer, girls soccer. We gave away a grant today to a young lady that need financial assistance, so we just love helping people in the community.
Are you going to do it with any of the other Whitewater sports? Like, for instance, I know
Yes,
basketball has a pink game every year.
Yes. Yeah, so we would like to do it with all the sports, because Whitewater, this is God's country. So we like to put them in a position that we have a platform to protect our women, because who wants to be stuck on the earth with a bunch of guys? So breast cancer is near and dear to my heart. And again, this is just so great. The weather was bad, but it cleared up just for the game. So it's 0-0 right now, but lacrosse, we want to also thank UW Lacrosse for coming out, being part of the Go Pink game.
All right, thank you, Leroy.
Thank you very much.
All right.